Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today, we're going to do a 15-minute vocal warm-up to get you ready to sing. It's always a good idea to check in with your alignment and your breathing. Take a moment now to release any tension, focusing on your neck, jaw, tongue, and shoulders. Take a few low, slow breaths in, and gently sigh out. Let's get our voices going with some easy humming. Teeth are apart, lips are together. We're going to sing. Here we go. Nicely done. Lip trills are one of my favorite vocal warm-ups. We'll sing the following pattern. We're gliding through each of these notes. Here we go. Now to an NG sound, as we sing. For this, I'd recommend allowing the mouth to hang open gently to relax any jaw tension. Here we go. That I have a vocal warm-up app for singers. It's available on both the Google Play and the App Stores, and you can enjoy my warm-ups on the go, commercial-free, and even download your favorites for offline use. I would love for you to check it out. The links are below. Spin things you should sing every day. For one more really relaxing exercise that covers a bit more range, we're going to sing on o, ah, like oh, vocal exercise, we're going to focus on relaxing the tongue and keeping the air very steady. We're going to sing on lu, li, lu. This just uses the tip of the tongue. Here's the pattern. Lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, and go. Lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu. Lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu. Lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu. Now to balance the tone and work on some descending intervals, we're going to sing the following pattern on ni, a, e, a, e, o, e, u. It sounds like this. Ni, a, ni, a, ni, o, ni, u. Give it a try. Ni, a, ni, a, ni, o, ni, u. Ni, a, ni, a, ni, o, ni, u. Ni, a, ni, a, ni, o, ni, u. Well done. This next exercise is going to start with a lip trill and move on to an oo. If lip trills don't work for you, keep practicing them because they're awesome, but you can also sing this on a v or a zh. We're going to sing the following pattern. Here we go. Here we go. Exercise that works to maintain relaxation through some interval work. We'll sing on the sound va, like va, va, va. Your turn. Va, This next vocal exercise is great for keeping steady airflow and a relaxed open throat. We're going to sing on a very rounded ho-ah-ya-o, like ho-ah-ya-o, and go Checking in now with our breath, we're going to move to this pulsed exercise that sounds like this. Ha, 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 ha. Here we go. Ha, 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 ha. 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 Ha, 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 Moving our focus back into relaxation, we're going to descend on va, 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 like va, va, va. Moving into some range extension, we're going to start on a lip trill with and then repeat the same exercise on the sounds Z-A-E-A, like Z-A-E-A. So it will sound like this. Z-A-E-A. It moves pretty quick in between them, but you'll probably want to sneak in a breath. Here we go. Z-A-E-A. one more relaxing sigh down. Thank you so much for singing with me today. It is always a pleasure. I appreciate your likes, your comments, and I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't. Also, I hope you'll check out my mobile app linked below and here. See you next time.